My name is Victor Mureithi, and welcome to this lesson where I'll be doing a summary of the basic chords that you can use to play seben. I have done 3 previous classes on the same, so you can check them out in my YouTube channel. So I'll be doing an extensive illustration of all the chords and the shapes that we have I've shown in the previous lessons. So we were focusing on the key of A. So we were in A, and our first shape was this. And this was our 1 chord. So this was our 1. So these shapes were only meant to make it easy for you to understand and to try them out. So I'm going to do the full chord so that you see you can advance from where you learned or the knowledge that you have. So this was the 1, but in real sense it's supposed to look like this. You're supposed to extend your finger, this pinky finger, and then you add this. Now this will be the 1 chord. This is the 1 chord. So depending on what you want to play as a musician or as a guitarist, whatever emotions you want to express, whatever melody you want to express will determine what shape you'll use. For example, if maybe whatever I want to play, I don't need this note, so I'll not play it. I'll just use these 3 notes. But maybe I won't use this. Maybe I want to play that. It means I'll need to use the full chord. That's why we are doing an illustration of the full shapes. So that's the 1. Now for the 4 chord we did this. This is the 4. Remember, we're in the key of A. But now we'll add this note, and so this finger will hold down these strings up to the thinnest, the first string, this string. So we'll do that, and then you add your other notes like this, so that you play this string and this note over here, and then we'll add these. So this is the 5th fret, if you will count. It's the 5th fret, and then the 5th string, 5th fret, 5th string. I've used this finger, and then this will be hard at first if you are a beginner. So what you can do, first start with the shape that you learned, hold it down, and then add these. Can't do that. And then you can hold down this chord at first, and then this finger will lay it down like that, so that we add this note. So the 4, and then you make sure that first string you get that note. So, and then you come and add these. Just a step-by-step guide on how to hold the full chord. So 4, the normal one that we did, and then now this is the full chord. So when we began, we just did a simple shape, just a simple shape. Now, but if you would like now to go to the next step, now this is the full shape. But remember, like I said, depending on what you want to get, or what melody or what sound you want to get, you will not need to do the entire thing. So maybe you will only need this. Maybe you'll only need even these 3 strings like that for the 4 chord. Or maybe you'll only need this. Let's say, for example, I play some tune from back then. Let me do it slowly, and you look at the shapes that I've used. In real sense, I've only focused on the 1 chord that has those 3 notes, and then these shape, only these and these. So depending on if I wanted that kind of sound or that kind of tune, I didn't need this or this note over here. So it will all depend on what you want to get. But for learning purposes, know the full structure, know the full shape. So we have said these are 4. And then remember what we said: when you move these 4 chord, the shape, by 2 frets, 1, 2, you get the 5 chord. So this same shape, we have the 5. The 5. So the 1, the 4, the 5, and then having these as the 5, we add these note. And then this note. So this finger will hold down these 3 strings up to the last one. This can be a bit challenging, but just try it with time. Just try the first shape, and then add the other one. So that's the 5. Now the next shape is the 1 we did over here. I said this is the other shape for the 1 chord. This one. It looks like a staircase. It's relatively easy. So what you'll need to do is just lay down this finger so that you hold the first string and the second string on the same fret over here. So the one over here the one we did was this. So we just lay it down like that. And play the entire 4 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure the first string rings out. So that's the shape. So and then now for the next shape, for the 4, we did the 4 that had this shape. So I'd like us to add this note. Actually, this is the root note. It's called the root note. So we have as the first shape that we did 1, 4. Then I add this. So I'll play from the 5th string. And I have the 4. And then coming here, the 5. Remember, 2 frets higher is the 4. 1, 2 frets higher. And then I have the 5. So the 1, come to this position over here. Now we add the 1 over here like this. So for this shape, we just do the same way we did the 4. Add this finger, and add this. And then we come to the 4, which had this shape. What we'll do is just add, remember, this note, the first string. And then 2 frets higher, 1, 2, we have the 5. So 1, 4, 5. After that, we are back to our 1 over here. So let me try and move. Five, 1, 4, 1, 5. So those are the shapes. So what you can do after you have done this lesson, that we have extended those shapes, you can just try and practice them slowly. Just take the 1 over here, then go to the 4, go to the 5, then come to the 4. So let me do it again. What I'm doing, I'm just playing these, and then I'm coming back to the third string. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4. And then I come to this position over here. I do. In real sense, you can practice even from over here. You extend them. So depending on how you'd want to practice them, or you can add the first string. You do. Oh, sorry, you're not saying. So yeah, so over here, then you can come over here. Yeah. Sorry. So what I'm really doing, I'm just using those chords. It's the 1 and then 4. So all those small things that I'm doing in the middle, we'll do them with time. So I'm here over 5, on the 5. So I'm having the progression as 1, 4, and then the 5, and then the 4. So you can just try and follow slowly. 4, it's the 5, and then back to the 4. So that's how easy it can be to, learn those chords and apply them. So In the coming classes, we'll learn how you combine the scales, which we'll learn, and then the chords, and then how to use them to make meaningful musical sentences. So thank you for sticking by. I thank you for the support that you've given me. I pray that I be able to be of help, the little that I know, that I'll be able to share. So thank you, and see you in the next class.